everyone, it's NonnaGrace and I'm from Western New York. Today I have a fairly long video again. I'm sorry for that. So get yourself something to drink or eat and you will have that while I entertain you. Today we're going to see part 6, I don't know, part something of the chicken coop. I actually let the girls sleep in their coop last night, but you'll also see my arm that got a little damaged. Not bad. It's actually healing quite well from one of my feisty little girls. I think it was the third hen that I moved. But they slept in their new house last night, and I'm hoping that they will go in. I left them in until 11 o'clock today, so I'm hoping that they will go back in. And the reason I didn't leave them in longer is it was getting pretty warm out, and I don't want them to overheat in there. They're hot enough as it is. Well, let's just go to that video, and you can see for yourself. The hazards of moving chickens in the night. One of them got me. I'm going to have to clean this off. I haven't cleaned it off yet. But the nails on those birds are dangerous.
I really got you.
Well, now I've cleaned it up, and now I'm going to put some medicine on it. It's a good slice.
Get a snack for the chickens. There's the crows. That's good.
Okie dokie. Okay, girls. There they all are. I don't know if you can see them in there or not. Can you see them?
Yeah.
They spent their first night in the new coop. I'm going to let them out. I'm going to give them some snack.
Here you go, girls. Here, chick. Oh, that brown one's gonna get out. Chick. There you go. They got that grass all spread really far. There you go, Emma. Okay, I'm gonna let you out. Emma will be the first one to come out. I'll bet you. Oh yeah. There you go, girls. You can come out. I'll let you out. Hopefully you go in tonight. There goes the little rooster.
And he started crowing today.
Yep. His first day of crowing. You're a big boy now. Look at them. They're still...
Yeah, they're gonna be
getting comfortable. I think they'll go in there easy tonight, I hope.
I hope so.
Oh, I don't want to have to open the other one at all. And she's going to lay an egg. We still got to... Eventually, when we tear the... We're not going to tear it down yet because we got to see how they do. If they go in real easy, then we'll tear it down.
Yep.
But not until. Oh, slippity-doo-dah. It's slippery there, girls. And she's using my ladder that I put there. That's pretty good.
Yep. That is good.
The water is staying pretty clean up there. We're going to have to... That one was sitting on it. Shame on her.
Well, that's why we put that cover over the other one, kind of.
Well, they might be all right. I don't know. We'll see how it is. If it's good, I don't need the cover. There you go, girls. You can have a freedom. Hi, Cora. You think I've got something in there? There's nothing in there. It's empty. Hello, Isabella. You want to see, too? There's nothing in there. They're the only Americanas, I think, left besides from the store-bought ones. The other one was a rooster and 2 roosters, and one died a long time ago. And there still should be one more somewhere.
There's a brown one in there that's got the green eggs or green legs.
Not the one with the shoulders. No, she's just she was worn out by Pretty Boy, or not Pretty Boy, but what was my last rooster? Was it Pretty Boy?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
This rooster doesn't have a name. It's going to just be called Little Rooster.
Little Rooster.
My Little Rooster. I guess that's his name. You girls are still scratching.
Well, yeah, we can still find stuff.
Maybe this part right here could be cut. Make it easier for me to shut the door. Just that right there.
Or trim the door down a little bit.
Or trim the door, yeah, whichever way you want to go. You have to take the door off if you trim the door.
Yeah.
Might be easier just to cut that
Yeah, probably would.
and then staple it a little bit.
It is stapled in the
I know,
back,
but more in the other back part because
yeah.
once you cut it, it might need more. Okie dokie, well, very good.
We ordered the snap mount for the GoPro and it came already, so don't pay extra for shipping because we didn't, and it came today, which is really fast.
When did we order it?
I don't remember. We just did it 2 days ago,
And it's now Sunday.
and it says the box is smaller than their regular, smaller than their smallest box. This box is.
So they just put it in a bag to ship it.
Yep. But this is how it comes. You're gonna see. You're gonna see it as soon as I see it. Ooh, I like the green. I really do. I think the green is pretty. And here's how it comes. Oh, I gotta pull it apart. It's a pretty strong magnet. Oh my goodness. Well, here's the lanyard. Let me see if I can get it apart.
Pull with the paper, maybe?
I don't know.
Hang on to the paper.
Oh no.
They're
I think
probably
I'll
rare
slide
earth
it.
magnets, and they're
Probably.
very strong.
Well, that's good because earth magnets are, whoa, that is really, really tough. I'm gonna open it up. And there's the magnet part.
I don't know if that's which side's the magnet.
Ooh.
I think that's.
I feel it repelling. Whew! This must be the side. Whoa, that's the side.
Maybe they have magnets on both sides.
I don't think so because it repelled. I don't know. We'll try if I can get it apart again. Oh my goodness. There we go. That kind of pushes away. Oh, this side would collect on that side. Wow.
I think they have magnets in both pieces.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it under my shirt. Let me see which side it is first. Oops, see how it repels it? Oops. Chase it around. Magic. Well, I'm going to put the lanyard on it, on this part.
Wouldn't really need it.
Well, probably not because it is pretty strong. Let's see. Whoops, that side again. Now to take it apart again. Oh, good grief. Whoa. What I'm going to do is put this. Let me see.
It's this side.
It's this side. It's the side without the pretty decorations that goes against. I'm going to slide it under my shirt. Give it a try. Oops, that really connects. I'm really connected. He's
Yep.
got the GoPro, otherwise I'd put the GoPro in, but I'm not going to do it right now. I like this green.
Actually, you could.
Will that one fit in? Because it's got a, whoa. I can put your GoPro in it?
Yep. Oh, here I gotta get the camera
Here, I'll
up in the
take it
right
out.
spot. Just pull.
Okay. And then this is how it would go. Oh, good Lord.
Looks
Not
like
that
it's a little-
easy. It's pretty hard to go in there.
They're a little tight for the GoPro's arms.
Maybe mine will go in there easier. I don't know. I don't want to break yours. Just had to do a little adjustment. Now it goes in easy. Wow, that's easy. I got it in. Look at that. And then I'll put this little thing on the side. Well, as you can see, I've been working on my corner to corner. I'm on the brown now. Oops, that orange string doesn't belong there. Beautiful. Well, thank you very much. And today we ordered another something. I ordered a thermometer for the chicken house. Well, I hope you enjoy being on the camera because you're on mine and I'm on yours.
Yep. I don't know how much, maybe probably just
know.
from here down, maybe. I don't
Let
know.
me see. We'll get you more. Are you up there, maybe?
I don't know. I
don't
can't
know.
tell.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, we're not getting there. Now we got you.
That's the only thing with that one. You don't know what you're seeing until you.
Well, same thing with
You're
that. I
done.
don't know what I'm seeing when I'm walking either. Cause
True. Especially if you're looking at yourself.
Well, I'm going to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
I also, in that video, you saw that I got my GoPro snap thing. That is really, Jim had to adjust it and it works now pretty darn nice. I haven't used it to do a video yet, but I will pretty soon. Take care and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.